Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about project manager interface. Okay, so basically, if you want to switch into the project manager, we should select this project tab. After selecting this project tab, we are able to see there are different tools which are related with the project management. Okay, categorized into two panels. The very first is the project tools, and the second one is the other tools. So at this in this video, we are going to discuss about this very first tool, which is a project manager. So when we click on this, it will open this particular table, project manager. So basically, if I close this, we are able to experiment that how it is opening. So if I click on this manager, it reappears over here. So basically, when you install your application and you launch first time, at that time also you are able to see the table is by default to the left side, that project manager. So this project manager will help us to create or to open the existing project, to create a new project. After creation of project, you are able to add new drawings into it. Also, you are able to refresh your whole project, and in between your work, if you find something needs to be put under the task which you want to complete after some time or maybe in the break, then you can add those tasks into this particular list. And when you are free, then you can run this particular task list. Along with that, there might be some chances that you need to update your project. So this is the tool which is going to help you to update the project, or you retag all the tags which we are using in our project. Okay, so basically this tool will help us to update and retag project wise different drawings. Okay. Yeah, so these are the most important tools from the perspective of project manager. Now how it looks. Okay, so below this I'm able to see there is a line which shows this 9 p.m. batch. So it means that this particular project is a current project or active project. So if I click on this drop down, I'm able to see a list of projects which are currently open in this browser. Okay, so this project browser is below this particular line. If I click on plus sign, I'm able to see the list of project available under this project browser. Okay, so currently these many projects are added into this particular list. If I want to active some of the one of the projects, so what I can do, simply I need to select the project first, and I just have to right click on it, and then you have to click on active. So now this project is active, and here also you can see the name is reflecting at the top. So generally, when we start working, the project must be an active project. Okay. So then and then only we are able to perform these operations like refreshing or adding a new drawing, or updating the project-wise different drawings. Okay. So these functions will be helpful when we keep in mind that the project in which we are working, on which we are working, that must be an active project. Okay. Suppose we say that currently we don't have any project, we just launched the application, we are new to this user interface. So how to create a new project, right? By using this project manager. So simply we have to come here in the second tool, new project. We just have to click on new project. So once we click on that, it will ask some details like name of a project, then where you want to store your project file, and while doing that, would you like to create a folder with the same project name so that your files will be organized one. If you go without this, so there may be chances that your files will be scattered. So the best practice is that just keep this checked. Okay, so it will create a extra folder with the name of a project. So here let me give as a demo project. Demo project. Along with that, we need to select, if necessary. Okay, this is not the compulsory one, but it is better to select the file from which we want to copy the settings. Okay, so the settings we are going to discuss in some another videos. So it will copy the settings from the drawing which we are going to select. So this is another project file. If you are able to, you can see this particular in the list. It is available here in a NFPA demo project. You can see, yeah, here it is. Okay, so currently we are copying the settings of this particular project, which is a default project given by AutoCAD Electrical itself only for the practice purpose. And after this, we just need to provide a description for this particular project by clicking on this button, and here you can give a description of your project. Let me define it as this is a demo project, and then OK. After this, I'm able to see there are four options: OK properties, OK, cancel, and help. Okay, if you'd like to know more about this particular options, then you can click on help. If not, you can go for OK properties. So what is the difference between OK and OK properties? If you click on OK, it will copy these settings. Okay, copy settings from the project file, which is mentioned here. And in sometimes after copying, you would like to modify some of the settings or some of the properties, then you can go for OK properties. If not, if you're happy with your selected settings, then you can click on OK. If not, you can click on OK properties, and then you can modify the properties. Okay, so what properties we can modify, that we are going to see in some another video. Okay, so I'm done with all the details. I'm just going to click on OK. So once I click on OK, I'm able to see the same project here in the list. Yeah. Now in this project, we can create some subfolders as well to organize the drawings based on their categories. For example, if I'm working on a schematics, what I can do, I can save the drawings into the schematic. If I'm working on a panel drawing, then I can categorize some drawings into the panel drawing. Similarly, if I'm having multiple reports, what I can do, I can create another folder, subfolder, and I can save the report related drawings into that particular folder. How? That we will see. If I want to save, if I want to create a subfolder under this demo project, so I just need to right click on this project, and then I have to say add subfolder, and we have to give a name. Okay, so name I would like to give as a, let me give this subfolder name as a schematic, where I'm gonna save schematic drawings. Similarly, if I want to save the panel drawings into a different subfolder, what I can do, I can again right click on this project, and I can go for add subfolder, and here I can mention panel this fashion. And once we are ready with our hierarchy, what I can do, I can go for adding new drawings into it. So that we will see in another video. Okay, so I would like to stop here. Thank you.